So yeah, man. I'm about to clean these suckers up. Got junk everywhere, and you know how people is, man. People, let me tell you something, man. I got busted one time. I picked up, now this is all me right here. This tools. Y'all know I'm a mechanic too, right? So I'm gonna put this in the trunk, but you gotta be careful about the trunk because you never know who you're picking up or where they going. Like if you got a trunk, your back end of your stuff is packed, and you get a group of people, XL now, you get a group of people that's going to the airport, you out of luck, man. So what I suggest is you keep ropes, some kind of straps in the back of your trunk, in the back of your car, cause if you get like I got a roof rack, so if you get a passenger with a lot of suitcases, nice good flat suitcases, you can actually put them on the roof and strap them down. So, or you can make sure your rear trunk is totally clean, because technically that trunk space is their space. This is what I heard. So you don't want to really get caught up with a lot of, junk in your trunk, so to speak. So, and you probably can easily get reported like that, man. People are picky, man. They'll snitch on you. They'll snitch on you in a New York minute just for because they couldn't get your stuff in your trunk. Now, one passenger I had one time, it was no matter how much space I had, they wasn't getting it all in here. And they got upset because I suggest they call another Uber, which would have meant more money, from them. So they didn't like that suggestion at all. So we proceed to pack it all up, man. You gotta, whatever you can do to accommodate the customer without breaking the law or putting anybody in danger, not just you, because you ain't the only one on the road. You got other people on the road. So whatever you can do to avoid putting anybody in danger, give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? To an extent. You don't want to really put anybody's life in jeopardy or anything like that. And what I've learned about driving XL or minivans or anybody with big cars, SUV, what I learned is simple. Check your compartment after every ride, especially a ride that kids was included in, because they leave little kid things. You can't get upset with kids for leaving stuff in your car. That's what kids do. And I have learned that, and I appreciate kids, man. The kids gonna be kids. So what you gotta do to counter that is check your compartment, check your inner and outer of your ride after every big XL ride. It's simple. I got a ping one time from the airport to Birmingham. That's 2.5 hour drive. It would be silly of me to drop them off and go directly and pick up another customer. For one thing, I'm in another state, so I'm gonna try to fight my way back without deadheading, of course. I'm gonna try to, maybe somebody in Birmingham going to Atlanta, so I hang around a while and try to get back then. But the moral of the story is check your compartment after every ride. Makes plenty of sense, man, because people, not just kids, people leave things in your car unexpectedly. Some people leave things in their car that's personal to them. They don't even know they left. And some people leave things in their car that they have no way to get rid of. You don't have a trash can in your car, but you could have a way that they can get rid of it. But for the most part, my point is, always check your car after every big XL ride. All right. Comment and subscribe, man. And I will see y'all on the next video. I gotta clean this thing up. Thanks for watching.